Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding GAIL India Limited recruitment 2021 executive trainee notification of 2021. For this recruitment, GATE 2021 score is valid. So here the available vacancies are executive trainee in chemical engineering and executive trainee in instrumentation engineering. The total vacancies are 25, 13 from chemical engineering and 12 from instrumentation engineering. Here the minimum essential qualifications are mentioned here. Executive trainee for a chemical, the required degree is bachelor degree in engineering technology in chemical, petrochemical, chemical technology, petrochemical technology with minimum 65% marks. And when it comes to executive trainee in instrumentation engineering, for this bachelor degree in engineering and technology in instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electrical and instrumentation engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics with a minimum 65% of marks. So here only full-time regular courses are eligible for this particular recruitment. So part-time degree holders are not eligible for this particular notification. And engineering degree can be BE, BTech or BSc engineering background also eligible for this notification. And whoever completed their dual degree, that means 5 years degree from BE, BTech plus ME, MTech background, those people are also eligible for this particular notification. This is for final year students. Okay, candidates who are currently in the final year 2020-21 of their bachelor degree in engineering discipline, including 5 years BE, BTech plus ME, MTech integrated dual degree in engineering, and belonging to general, EWS, OBC, non-creamy layer category, must have secured minimum 65% marks. Whoever having reservation, those people require minimum 60% of marks up to the last semester. Age limit 26 years as on 16th March. This is the maximum age, 26 years. You observe the pay matrix. Selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of 60,000 is the basic one, and 1,80,000 is the gross salary by including all emoluments. The basic pay of 60,000 during 1 year training cum probation as executive trainee in E2 grade, and successful completion of their training cum probation period, they will be absorbed in the same pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000 in E2 grade. So selection procedure, this is completely depends on GATE 2021 scorecard, and so GATE 2021 students are eligible for this particular notification. Whoever cleared the GATE in 2020 and before 2020, those people are not eligible for this particular recruitment. And here the codes are mentioned. Executive trainee chemical engineering, the GATE paper code is CH. Executive trainee instrumentation engineering having code IN, right? And so these are certain useful websites to apply this particular notification. And the last one is important dates. So this is opening of GAIL website for the online submission of application by the candidates from 15th February 2021 onwards, and the last date for submission of online application is 16th March 2021. Hardly we have only 1 week time. And this is regarding GAIL Executive Trainee 2021 notification. So I will attach this PDF file below of this particular video. So if you want more details, so please go through that link. For more job update, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends, and please like the video. Thank you.